Hello and welcome to another video from the Visionless Designs YouTube channel. So I figured I'd start doing a work vlog showing people what I actually do and how I actually use all my tools and make things. So today I'll be finishing off some of my tables. These are ones that I actually made for my wedding, my wife's wedding. Actually the whole reason I started up this business is a lot of people saw them, it's like, you need to start selling things like that and making them. So yeah, they just need a bit of a touch up, because the way I did these originally was I sanded them down with nothing but a belt sander and a random orbital, which took a very, very long time. And then we assembled them afterwards, and we had a month to assemble 22 tables and 30 benches, and also arrange the wedding. So yeah, it was a pretty hectic time. I had a lot of help from a friend called Murray Crow, who helped to give me ideas on how to assemble things. It's his job to make furniture. But yeah, we didn't have enough time to finish off sanding them before they were properly assembled. So yeah, just getting rid of all these splintery bits that are sticking out, all these rough bits. I'll probably still leave in some of the marks on the edges, to give a bit more of a rustic character. Some people like them, some people don't. Yeah, that's basically when we to fit the U-legs into the holes, we use an axe to chip down to taper into that. So yeah, we'll get started on sanding these down. We're the king. There they are. And turn the headset on. There we go. Right. So yeah, we'll be using a Festool palm sander for this. I did used to use a Airbauer mouse sander, or I think it's called a Delta sander. I'll show you that in a minute. Tended to wear through the pad quite quickly, so just have a quick go at this. Right, so as you can see, this is very awkward because everything's already assembled and it's really hard to get around these bits here. Also, it's a little bit dusty, again, because all this is assembled. Attaching this to the hoover, I have a big pipe here which will also keep getting in the way, so it's again, always finish the sanding everything before you fully assemble it. Screw and glue everything together. It's a right pain to finish it off afterwards. So yeah, as I don't know if you could see in the video, as I'm trying to go around, I'm trying to make sure I use all the pad, every part of it. So I'm not just holding it in the centre and going along there, I'm trying to use the edges, front, back, go all around, so that it gives an even wear over the pad. Put my elbow on here. So, there you go. That's what can happen if you start focusing on just the centre. Oop, it doesn't stick anymore. So it tends to start pitting it. Right, sorry about that. Business calls are annoying, aren't they? So, where was I? Yes, the air sander. So, problem with the Velcro pads and soft pads, again, they tend to pit. Once they start pitting, the sheets don't stick to them anymore. And not only that, but I'm going to put it, you can see, just trying to use it normally, because it's got uneven wear there, it starts putting holes in the sheets, so you get through sheets like crazy. So yeah, the mouse sander is handy, it's small, compact, get around a lot easier, but yeah, it's a bit of a pain when the Velcro breaks so easy on this. I've actually got on the Festool what's called a saver pad, so I'm going to try that for a bit, see how that, see if that helps. I also found that they do some softer pads, so thicker, softer pads that help for these curved areas. So I'm going to give that a try. The thing about the square one is, which I've only just realised after going for the palm sander with the rectangle base instead of the delta sander, is it's not going to be quite as good for doing areas, these curvy areas here with all the grooves and unevenness. That's where the mouse sander would be a lot better. So I'll have to try and sort something out for that. Back in the box. There you go. There we go. Right. So yeah. Also, another thing to consider when sanding things like this. Don't push down hard on the sander. So if I shoot, like, you want as minimal force on these as possible. So if I turn it on, show you how I do it on the flat. See, it's just literally using my fingers to move it around, and it gives it a nice smooth finish. You don't need to push down hard. Basically, you just want enough pressure on this to hold it in place. If you start forcing down, you're going to start burning out the motor unnecessarily, start getting through your sheets a lot quicker, and wear out the actual the sticky pad itself. So light pressure, that way you're not wearing down your whole machine and getting through bits quickly. Also, I don't know if you saw then, I tend to move it around a lot. Some woods, like sycamore, it can burn really easy, so you want to keep things moving and get around so it doesn't heat up. It's like the blades, you need the blades to spin slower. Tends to burn quite a lot on the belt sander if I try and hold it in one place for too long. So yeah, it's always easy just to keep things moving, go around slow, just keep going back and forth, just go around in circles, I find personally. Again, some people might find things better other ways, but this is what works for me. So yeah, don't know what else to say on this. Nope, I think that'll do for today. Yeah. So hopefully this little bit will help someone, and hopefully, yeah, like to look at the tables. Thanks for coming to this video. See you in the next one.